I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a device from your Charles Schwab account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Charles Schwab website. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Find Device Management. In Account Settings menu, look for Device Management or a similar option. This section allows you to view all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Review the list of devices and select the one you wish to remove. There should be an option next to each device for removal. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Make sure you double check which device you're removing, as this action may affect your access. If you accidentally remove the wrong device, you may need to go through the reauthorization process. I hope this guide helps you easily manage your devices on Charles Schwab. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.